Today we have come to the last day of the veneration of the 18th Exposition of the Sacred Relics of St. Francis Xavier. The Church and the Government of Goa have collaborated and worked in the best possible way to make this exposition an event for everybody to remember. I think with the initiation of the process of putting the Secretariat in place, we had around 10 functional areas who are designated certain works, and I think all the functional areas have done their work exceptionally well. I compliment all the functional area heads, be it coordination, be it sanitation, be it infrastructure, be it the IT, and all the other functional areas. I think everybody has done their best, and I think that it was a good decision to have the functional areas in place so that we could work meticulously, especially going down to the T, and ensure that the minutest detail has been looked at. I'm sure everybody, whoever has come to the exposition, has taken away a sort of a memory to be with them, that this exposition we could give them the best of facilities, whatever we could, especially for the senior citizens, the people with special abilities. We had brought in e-rickshaws, we had brought in buggies to facilitate them, and I think yes, it has come a long way to help people to make it more comfortable, more soothing and pleasant, a good experience for everyone. We have created the pilgrim village where people could come, stay, have a very pleasurable atmosphere when they venerate, and also go back with some good memories. Overall, I feel with the amount of reviews what we are getting, I think the Exposition Secretariat and all my entire team is happy and blessed to get very positive reviews from all over the world, saying that they were very happy with the facilities and the overall organization. And I thank the Almighty for giving us this grace to be here working for the last 45 days and even 2 months prior to that in the initial planning. And I'm sure our St. Francis Xavier has interceded for all of us, and we are happy to work with the church and the government together and give everybody a memorable experience. I would be failing in my duties if I don't put on record the support given to us by Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, our Honorable Law Minister Shri Alessio Sequeira, who was the Deputy in charge of the exposition. He is to be here practically almost on a daily basis and giving us his support and valuable guidance. Father Henry Falcon, the convener of the exposition, we have worked very closely together on a daily basis. A lot of decisions were taken looking at the situations. We had to modulate, change the course of our decisions, and I think wonderfully well we have taken things forward, and I really appreciate and thank Father Henry for collaborating with us and taking this exposition to a different level. Likewise, my sincere appreciation also for Father Lawrence, who has toiled day and night. He has been a pillar of support, a rock, who has stood by us and worked with the minutest detail and has been a sort of a liaison between the church and the Exposition Secretariat. So I put my sincere gratitude to all my colleagues, my FA heads and their teams, especially the protocol team headed by Shreyas De Silva, who has worked tirelessly and ensured that everybody is being taken care of. At the same time, I would also compliment the media, who have done a brilliant job. Day and night they have been toiling, giving us the required media coverage, and I salute all the media people, especially the Government of Goa, the Directorate of Information, Alvin, Deepak and his team, and all the members who have done a wonderful service to our exposition. Thank you.